Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Toyota RAV4. First, ensure your safety by wearing protective glasses and gloves. You'll need an AC recharge kit, readily available at auto parts stores. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay, marked with an L. Finally, start your RAV4 engine and turn the AC to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Now let's connect the recharge kit. Take the quick connect fitting from your kit and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port you just located. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Before attaching the refrigerant can to the hose, give it a good shake for about 1 minute. Then, screw the can onto the hose assembly, ensuring it is tight to prevent any leaks. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger for 5 to 10 seconds at a time, then release. While adding, continuously check the pressure gauge on your kit. The needle should move into the green or blue zone, indicating the correct pressure range. Remember, overfilling can cause more harm than good, so add slowly and monitor carefully. Once the pressure gauge shows the correct level, quickly disconnect the hose from the low-pressure service port to minimize any refrigerant loss. Now, hop into your Toyota RAV4 and check the air vents. You should feel noticeably colder air blowing out, confirming a successful recharge. For other great deals and to grab some Little Trees black ice for a fresh-smelling ride, check the description below. Enjoy your newly refreshed AC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.